Hello, my name is Oliver from the Exhibit support team, and in this video I will show you how to upload models to the Exhibit Cloud and create rooms in Exhibit. First of all, when you're on the Exhibit website, you want to go to My Account, log into your account, and you will be presented with the dashboard of your Exhibit account. You have different sections here. You can see your subscription, and you can manage your account details such as name, payment method, etc. We will focus on the models and showroom sections of your dashboard. Once you click on the model section, you will be presented with this view, and at the moment we have no models in our storage. To upload a model, click on this button, which means Choose File, and you will be presented with this dialog. Choose your zipped 3D model, this is essential for Exhibit, and click OK and Save, and the model will be uploaded. Once the upload is finished, you see your model is listed with a model ID, which is automatically generated, and your model description. The last thing to prepare the model for the room is uploading an icon, so Exhibit will depict the correct icon for the model. To do this, click the Edit button and choose an icon in the upcoming dialog. I've prepared an icon already, so I'll choose it and click OK. You also have the option to add an attachment to your model so other users can download additional information for the model. I will do this as well, so I click Open, choose this PDF file as an attachment, and click OK and save again. Please note that it is absolutely necessary to upload an icon together with your model. Once this is complete, you will see the attachment and the icon presented over here in this overview. In the next step, I will show you how to set up a room and add models to them. To see an overview of your rooms, click on Showrooms, and as you can see here, there is currently no active room created. To create one, click on the Create New Room button. Here you can input a description and include models you have already uploaded. Set the room status to Active with this checkbox and click Create Now. Once the room is created, you will see an overview of all the rooms currently active. You will see the room ID, the room description, the models assigned to the room, and whether the current status of the room is active or inactive. It is possible to edit the room as well, but most importantly, the room code is shown over here. This is the code which is necessary for all users to join the room with the Exhibit app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.